She ever been in trouble before?
No, she almost got kicked out of our house by her stepdad for getting a speeding ticket. Like,
Okay.
she has.
Do y'all live here in Florida now?
No,
or?
we're visiting my parents. We're supposed to leave tonight. I'm meeting my mom for like an early dinner.
All right. Mom, correct?
Yes.
All right. Read what we call Miranda warnings. Okay. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Having those rights in mind, do you wish to speak to me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what happened?
I was just being really dumb. I'm so sorry.
Okay.
Yeah, everything she asked for, put it in the buggy. Like, we were just trying to get out of my parents' house for a little bit because it's 75 degrees. And they're like, it's freezing in here. Let's go to the store. Get what you want.
Okay. So you concealed them in your purse there?
Yes, ma'am. You can look at my purse.
I'm going to. I'm going to search you too, so.
I have nothing else. I gave him everything.
Alright. Yeah, let's see. Do you have anything on your person I need to know about?
No, ma'am. I gave him everything back. I have nothing.
It's fine. I meant more along the lines of any weapons. Drugs,
Oh, no, ma'am. No.
Okay. Alright, I'll just have you stand right here for me. I'm just going to put you there. Let me give phone to mom for now, okay?
Okay.
You're fraud.
Yes, ma'am. It's just strapless.
You're fine. I'm just gonna have you face this way. Alright, so you do have to turn around and put
Am
your
I getting
hands-
arrested?
I have to detain you at the moment, okay? You have tiny wrists. I do like 324 like I have female detained. Alright. You're gonna have a seat here for me.
Am I getting arrested?
So here's the thing. You're not a resident of Florida. So I can't issue her a notice to appear because you live out of state. So she has to go to jail for it.
Can I drive here? I can drive down to go to court.
Unfortunately, no. There's some
Anytime
requirements
you
that
don't
do that.
live in Florida, you have to go to jail for the offense because our notice to appear is for, like, if you were a resident here, it'd be different. Then if you don't have any criminal history, we could
Even
just,
from here to Jacksonville, I couldn't give you one of those court dates.
yeah, you have to live.
Can we use like my
So-
grandma's address or anything? I'll drive down.
If she has no priors, it's gonna just be a misdemeanor offense. I think it's a $500 bond. If you use a bonds bailsman, you just pay, I think the minimum's $100, so it'd be $100. So you could go literally right up there, she can post her bond, and she'll get right back out. But she is gonna have a court date, she's gonna have to come back for court, the whole deal. So, you know, if she was still a juvenile, it would have been honestly the same scenario because you don't
How long
live
does she
here,
stay in
so-
if I don't come bail her out?
Until she bonds
Until she bonds
out.
out or time served, 30
Yeah.
days, 45 days.
So, you go ahead. 26. She's gonna be 10-15.
How long does her booking?
Our jail's
It's-
pretty quick.
Yeah,
just
it's
depends
drive
on how
time
many people are
there,
there.
and yeah, me typing up the
It's
paperwork
the end
real
of
quick.
the end of the shift, so
Could she like follow it?
I mean she can.
You can't, she's still gonna have to wait until,
It's probably gonna be a couple hour process.
I'd say probably about 2 hours, because it's gonna take 30 minutes to get there, and then paperwork, and then get there.
Take your picture, your fingerprints.
I'm gonna take this with me. They'll put it in her property. When she gets out, she'll get her ID back. Okay.
My password is 8889.
And grandma. We are supposed to be back in 10 minutes, and then I have to go to jail for hours. What do you think? But I'm not gonna just let her sit there waiting.
That's a jail address.
Do you have any phone numbers you want her to have?
I know phone numbers better.
Okay, so you're good on that part. Okay. Will you send me a statement when you get it?
You
With
just
the
send her a
time I
link.
want to go ahead and.
Yeah, you can send her a link.
Huh?
Send her a link.
Okay.
I'll do that pretty quick.
Yeah, no, I will, but if you can just.
I'll be right back in there.
Whose bag is that?
That's not ours.
It's not yours. Okay.
Well, yeah.
So what all do we have to do?
Basically, I'm gonna take you to the jail. It's in a totally different town from here. It's about 30 minutes away. I'll work on the paperwork. They'll take your picture, fingerprints. Once you're booked in, you'll have the bond set. Mom or someone, if they want to bail you out, can come bail you out. If they choose not to do that, then you're going to have to sit there until.
Is this gonna be like on my record forever?
Will you stand by real
Do
quick
you
so I
know?
fix my
Because
seatbelt?
I'm going to school to be an elementary school teacher. It'll like affect my
Probably
career.
not.
I don't want to affect my career.
I mean, they'll probably ask you about it.
Apparently my seatbelt broke.
What's the difference between the two?
Felony, you can't own guns, you can't vote, you can't do a lot of things.
What is going on with this?
Use your
Is it because it wasn't a certain amount or something?
It's because you're not a resident in the state of Florida.
That's the only reason why.
Can you see if you can get that?
Whenever I get there, can I call people or do I have to
You
wait?
gotta wait till they book you in.
But then there's they have like payphones in the cell, so
They're
you can.
free and booking.
But they're free in booking, so you can make a call.
Like
for
whenever
free.
I'm waiting to get booked?
No, you.
Am I
I'll get the
gonna-
arrow one back here for you. Okay.
Like, it's okay. And whenever I get there, I'm gonna be changed out of my clothes too, and everything changed.
What?
They'll change her into like
A jumpsuit.
yeah, and
And
different
orange
shoes.
Crocs. And you get a Florida ID. They look kind of jail.
All right, I'll get the air going for you in just a
Already
second.
turned it
Okay. Oh, thank you.